Let me take you on a whirlwind journey through Iran's incredible history, a story not just of empires and conquerors, but of a people who stood together, time and time again, against the storms of invasion. From the dawn of civilization, the land we now call Iran has been a crossroads. Persians, Medes, Parthians, and so many others, each adding their own colors to the tapestry. But whenever a foreign power threatened, from Alexander's legions to the Mongol hordes, Iranians set aside their differences. Tribe, language, religion, it didn't matter. What mattered was unity. When the Arabs arrived in the 7th century, it wasn't just the armies that shaped history, it was the people's resilience. Persian language and culture not only survived, they flourished, influencing the very civilization that came to conquer them. The Mongols, they may have burned cities, but Iran's poets, scientists, and thinkers soon inspired even their invaders. The same story echoed through the centuries every time an outsider threatened to erase Iran's identity. The people wrote their own fate, together. Fast forward to modern times, Iranians of every background have faced coups, invasions, and sanctions. Yet, each trial only forged tighter bonds. When Saddam Hussein attacked in the 1980s, Iranians, Kurds, Azeris, Persians, Arabs, Muslims, Christians, Jews stood on the same front, defending their homeland with a unity that's become legendary. And today, tensions with Israel test that same spirit. But history tells me something vital. Every time Iran has been threatened, unity has turned the tide. Foreign invaders may arrive with weapons and ambition, but they often leave with a deep respect, even admiration for Iran's rich culture and the unbreakable will of its people. So as the world watches, I believe Iran will rise from these challenges, just as it always has, bringing together its diverse voices and writing a new chapter of resilience, hope, and pride. That's the true story of Iran, not just endurance, but the power of unity to transform adversity into strength and even turn enemies into admirers.